In this part, we are going to set up our Google Sheet before hopping into Glide. So if you haven't already, open a blank Google Sheet, and we are going to name it whatever your app is going to be called. We are going to have a name column, a title column, email, phone number, photo, which will be for employee photos, and location. And this tab is going to be called Employees. We are going to have one more tab called Locations. And here we are going to have a name tab, an address, a phone number, and a photo. So now we're going to go through and fill out this information. While you're doing that, keep in mind, don't fill out the photo column because I will address that later. But fill this out and I'll meet you back here when you're done. Okay, so you should have filled out your information on the Employees tab and on the Locations tab. So now we're going to do one more thing before hopping into Glide. We need to match the locations to the employees. So mine's pretty straightforward, but if you have more employees than you do offices, then obviously you need to spend the time and assign the location to the corresponding employee. But since mine, it's one person per office in this example, I am just going to go into locations and copy the offices here and then hop back into the employees tab and paste that here. So now we're going to set up our app in Glide and I'll see you there.